So children, now here, the next one we are going to see that about what is similarity. In last class what we have done, we have discussed about the congruency. In congruency we have seen how we are comparing the sides. Okay. And now we are going to discuss about the similarity which is there in our portion. Okay. So here when we are taking similarity, okay. So here what we have to do means we have to compare the sides same like what we have done in the congruency. But one small change that there we are saying it is equal, here we are saying it is proportional. So what is meant by proportional? Okay, so when you are taking all the sides here, when you are taking the sides that is AB by, I am taking the triangle in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So this is the triangle I am taking. Okay, so when I am taking proportionality here, that means AB by PQ. That is equal to BC by QR. That is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. So this is equal to some constant value K. Constant value what it is K. Okay. K is nothing but if the values when you are comparing, for example, when you are comparing what it is two triangles, if you are having the values like 4 by 8 equal to 6 by 12 equal to 3 by 6. Okay, so these are the values. So when you are taking all these values, simplify this. We will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So that is equal to what it is. Everything it is equal to 1 by 2. That is what the K value. Understand? So this is the way what we do is this is called proportional. This is called proportional. That means the ratio of the sides will be like what it is in proportional. All be equal. So AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR. This is the way we compare. Okay. Now, when you come into similarity here, to try to understand that, from that we will see this one. Okay. So in similarity, when you are taking the sides, in congruency we said it is equal. Here we are saying that it is proportional. So yeah, that means the same order. The triangle I have taken ABC and PQR. So if I have taken ABC means AB is divided by what it will come? PQ. AB by PQ, that is equal to BC by QR and then AC by what it is? PR. AC by PR. Okay. And in angles, there is no any change in the angles. So how we are comparing angles in the congruency? Same like that, you have to compare the angles in the similarity. Okay. So angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. You understand? So how to prove the similarity condition? Okay, you can ask. So here these many things are there. How we can say the sides? How we can say the sides and angles are like what it is? How we are using here? So same like what it is. The criterion which we used in that. So please listen. Now this one you see that. This you understood about the proportionality? Any doubt in this? How we are saying it is proportionally understood? Okay. Now, based on the congruency, how we are having some what it is criterion like that. For similarity also we will have that criterion. Okay. So criterion of similarity. Criterion of similarity. Criterion of similarity. Here we are having the things like okay. So the congruency, you see that. What are the rules I said? Congruency, side, angle, side. And then angle, side, angle. And then angle, angle, side. And then triple S and then RHS. So we are having like what it is? 2, 4, 5. Okay. But in similarity, will have side, angle, side 1 and then angle, side, angle 2 and then this one what it is? This one Angle side will not come. Okay, so we'll have double A. We'll have double A or else what it is? Or else triple A. You understand? Only these many criteria we are using. Whether we are using RHS, SSS we can't use. Sorry, SSS we can. So sides we can use. Why? Yes. Whether we are using RHS? No. Okay. So only these are the criteria we can use for the similarity. These are the criteria we can use for the similarity. Okay. So SAS, ASA and double A or else what it is? Triple A. So if you are proving double A, that is enough. No need to explain about what it is triple A. Understand? And then we are having what it is triple S. Okay. So here we will have only what it is? 4 things. You understand? So we are taking SAS. How to say it is SAS? How to say it is SAS? Okay. So when you comparing SAS, when you are taking the triangle, what it is? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. So AB by PQ. The same way how we are comparing the previous one for congruency. In the same order only you should take the sides. Okay, so AB by PQ. In congruency, we will say that AB is equal to what it is. Understand? So AB by PQ equal to BC by what it is. So here you can see that AB by PQ and BC by what it is. QR and angle B is equal to angle. Okay, so here this is what the side is, side and side. This is what the angle. This is what the angle. So here you can see that side, angle, side. Understand? So here we are taking only what it is, the comparison of 2 things like this. That is what side and side. And then we are taking what it is, one angle. Very clear with this? You understood? So this is the way we use that SAS what it is, similarity. So therefore we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle what it is, PQR. Once if we are saying it is similar, the remaining leftover side is there now. That we can say it is proportional, and the remaining angle is there now. That we can say it is equal. Okay, by similarity condition. So how we are using CPCT? In congruency, like that, here the remaining things you can say it is equal. Okay, based on that only we have it. Now next one is angle side angle means we should have what it is. Angles are equal and the corresponding any one side BC by QR it should be what it is. BC by QR it should be both, it will be proportional, and then angle side angle and angle C is equal to angle. Okay, and then double A. Okay, any 2 angles, and then what it is? And then what it is? Okay, are you clear with this? Any doubt on this? Okay.